In today's show, crypto legend Peter Brandt analyzes Bitcoin, Litecoin, and XRP and says early signs suggest that Bitcoin will rally much higher than $100,000. In his latest weekly crypto outlook, Brandt says that Bitcoin's now showing early signs that it can climb a lot higher than $100,000. We'll be breaking this down in today's show. Also in today's episode, nearly $6 billion is ready to move into Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and altcoin markets, according to crypto analyst Mati Greenspan, who shared on crypto Twitter. Nearly $6 billion worth of stablecoins ready to move into Bitcoin and the alts at a moment's notice. And this research is based upon Messari. This is very bullish for Bitcoin. We'll be covering this in today's episode. Also, we'll be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As we can see, the leading crypto Bitcoin is pumping along with all the major cryptocurrencies. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? We'll be discussing this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released. And if you're interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, be sure to smash the link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into what crypto legend Peter Brandt has to share regarding Bitcoin rallying much higher than $100,000. A closely watched veteran trader who became legendary in crypto circles for calling Bitcoin's big collapse in January of 2018 is revealing his latest thoughts on Bitcoin, XRP, and Litecoin, the world's first, third, and seventh largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Peter Brandt, who had previously said Bitcoin could rise to $100,000 in its current long-term cycle, says the king coin remains in a historic bull trend. In his latest weekly crypto outlook, Brandt says the leading cryptos now showing early signs it could climb a lot higher than $100,000. Here's what he shared. We can use this recent low that we've seen back in December that connects back to December 2018 as kind of now redefining the parabolic advance that can be in the process of developing now, and that has implications. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself because I can make an argument here that I'm not really sure can be made yet, that we're going a lot higher than $100,000, and it won't be until 2021. And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description so you can check it out, but you can see these parabolic cycles with these red lines just going upwards. Brandt says that Bitcoin may be coiling in a bullish symmetrical triangle that dates back to late 2017. Here's what he shared. A continuation symmetrical triangle is a coil that contains four major contact points. If we fail at the upper line and turn down, then it could be a symmetrical triangle top. But for now, I'm going to look at it as a symmetrical triangle continuation. And as time goes and we start to challenge this upper line, especially if we take out the highs that we made back here in June, then we've completed the symmetrical triangle and we can really start accelerating the bull trend in Bitcoin. And this is the graph he included, which again, I'm going to share this article resource below the video in the description so you can reference it. And as for the altcoin market, Brandt says Litecoin is also showing signs of a potential bullish triangle similar to that of Bitcoin. Symmetrical triangles or triangulations tend to be a magic pattern with Litecoin, and you can see in a couple of places here the big ascending triangle that blew off in 2017, and you had another triangulation in 2018. You've had different triangulations taking place, especially symmetrical triangles in Litecoin. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, we can see they're all pumping right now and in the green, which is a beautiful sign. Bitcoin is about to retest that $9,500 resistance. The previous two times it got knocked down by the bears, but if we can creep and stay above 9,500, I do feel that $10,000 is inevitable. And taking a look at Litecoin, we were just below $50 not that long ago, and it has been pumping. And there have been a lot of signs in the past when Litecoin starts to pump, Bitcoin tends to follow. I call Litecoin the little sister of Bitcoin, being one of the original forks. So Litecoin's currently trading at $72, up 4% for the day. Bitcoin Cash is up almost 3%. Satoshi Vision up almost 5%. Ethereum pumping a whopping almost 7%, trading at $192. XRP is up 9%, trading at almost 26 cents. Link is up almost 5%, trading at $2.88. BNB coin up 2%, EOS up 5%. So as you can see, the market is prime for bullishness right now. And as for XRP, Brandt says he often hears from investors who closely follow the third largest crypto by market cap. Although Brandt says XRP may prove to be a boomer and rise exponentially in value, he stresses his belief that Bitcoin is the real crypto asset to watch. He wrote, "I know many of you are Ripple fans, XRP fans. I'm sorry, I just can't get all excited about it. I've talked about that in the past with you many times. For me, this is a Bitcoin story. Bitcoin is the legacy coin. I don't want to be sidetracked because I think then granddaddy of them all is going to continue to be Bitcoin. XRP may very well be a boomer, but it's also going to be a buster. So my focus will continue to be on Bitcoin, and I'll look at Bitcoin as the litmus test of everything else." And in other crypto news, nearly $6 billion is ready to move into Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and altcoin markets, according to crypto analyst Mati Greenspan. Let's break this down because this is a pretty big deal. Portfolio manager and crypto analyst Mati Greenspan says billions of dollars are essentially sitting on the sidelines, ready to move into Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and the altcoin market at large. Greenspan is using data from the crypto research firm Messari, which shows that the total value of all stablecoins is just shy of $6 billion. Stablecoins are digital currencies that are pegged to traditional assets like fiat. They're designed to maintain a steady value and offer crypto traders an easy way to sidestep the extreme volatility of the crypto markets. Greenspan's theory implies that billions of dollars in the stablecoin market represent traders who have decided to exit their positions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other crypto assets and are waiting for the optimal time to re-enter the market. Well, could that optimal time be right now? Taking a look at his tweet, he wrote, "Nearly $6 billion worth of stable coins ready to move into Bitcoin and the alts at a moment's notice." And this is the graph he got from research firm Messari, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description for you to reference and check it out. Binance Research released a report in November of the habits of 69 clients with crypto allocations ranging from $100,000 to $25 million. The report found that 96% of those investors are using the stable coin market, with Tether USDT ranking as the favorite. USDT is the dominant stablecoin with 40% usage, holding the top ranking for both Chinese and English survey respondents. USDC, TUSD, and PAX are following close behind USDT, and several English survey respondents wrote in BUSD, under others reflecting an initial interest by our institutional and VIP clients. Putting the broader results in line with respective market capitalizations, the overall use for each stablecoin is roughly in line with the rank of its respective market cap. And as we can see here in the chart, stablecoin use according to clients, and 4% put none, 6% put DAI, 13% put PAX, and 40% put USDT. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, we're currently at $262 billion and climbing. That means money is pumping into crypto right now, with $109 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current Bitcoin dominance is taking a step back once again, 65.4%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, BitShares leading the pack, up 38%, trading at 3.4 cents. Status up 31%, trading at 1.5 cents. Ardor up 17%, trading at 5.7 cents. Bytum up 14%, trading at 10 cents. Eternity up 13%, trading just below 20 cents. And Quant up 13%, trading at $4.90. And as we continue scrolling down, you see lots of gainers in the crypto market today. Definitely more gainers than losers, and that's because so much money is pumping into crypto at the moment. And taking a look at the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, we got Seal down 17%, trading at 7.5 cents. Molecular Future down 11%, trading at $1.29. Zcoin down 5%, trading at $7.66. iExec RLC down 2%, trading at 67 cents. DXChain token down 2%, trading at 0.001. And Yapstone down 2%, trading at 27 cents. And as we scroll down the list of the biggest losers, there's not that many. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 13 of the top 100 coins are in the red. That's because the market seems to be bullish. And taking a look at the BitMEX margins, we can see we are bullish with longs leading with about 85 million in superiority, which is about 51.79% longs versus 48.21% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Drop me a comment right down below. And checking out the crypto greed and fear index, we're currently rated a 57, which represents greed. Same as yesterday, we were a 57 in greed. Last week we were a 50, which is neutral. And last month we were rated a 41 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So considering we are in a greed phase right now, that means we may see a market correction. Let's see what happens from here. Your guess is as good as mine. Personally, I would like to see Bitcoin maintain above this $9,500 resistance, turn that into a support, and then creep its way back up to 5 figures, which I believe is inevitable. I believe we're going to rise above $10,000 here in February. That's just my personal thoughts. What do you think? Drop me a comment right down below. And I want to encourage you to check out the community section of my YouTube channel just by clicking on the community tab. Yesterday, I shared a poll, March 1st, 2020. What will the Bitcoin price be? Meaning, when we hit March 1st, where do you think the Bitcoin price is going to be at? And 29% of you put between 10 and 11,000, and 38% of you put between 12 and 13,000 plus. I would love to see this personally. A previous poll I shared, your most bullish crypto for 2020, and domination, right? 57% of you put Bitcoin. And then I previously asked, who do you think Satoshi really is? It's not me. And 36% of you put who the hell knows. And then another one, in which year will Bitcoin hit 6 figures? And 42% of you are in agreement with Peter Brandt, believing we'll rise above 100,000 in 2021. And I also asked the poll, February 1st, 2020, what will the Bitcoin price be? And you got it right. 35% of you put between 9 and 10,000, and we've been at about 9,300, 9,400 on the start of this month. So I'm anxious to see in March if you guys are going to be correct as well, with Bitcoin rising to $12,000, $13,000 plus. What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. And below this video and all my videos, I have detailed description followed by a lot of resources for you to plug into. For example, my blog and podcast can be found at cryptonewsyes.com, and you can download my latest episodes. We're on all major podcasting platforms, including iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, and the list goes on. So I strongly encourage you to download our podcast and follow us on whatever community you're active in. Also on Twitter, don't forget to follow us to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. We also have a private crypto Facebook group, over 17,000 strong. It's free to be a part of, and you can connect with fellow cryptopreneurs such as myself. And there's also a private crypto Telegram group I encourage you to be a part of, where we just share the latest analysis of what's going on inside the crypto market. I'd love to plug you in and have you a part of our growing community. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin rocket ship heading straight to the moon. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news, so we can go where no man has ever gone before. To the moon, baby. Take me to the moon, because that's exactly where we're heading. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, be sure to smash the link right below the video in the description. This is a free system for you to plug into and become a part of. It's powerful. There's free training inside. There's resources. If you're looking to tap into OPM, look no further, my friend. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.